Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben Quann. I'm a realtor here in Virginia, and today I want to showcase my newest listing. It's a 3-level townhouse, just a few years old and ready for a new owner. Let's go check it out. All right, come on in. So as you come into this townhome, obviously you have a huge living room right here. We have a ginormous TV that we'll let you look at. And then you come into this really just open floor plan. It goes right into the kitchen. It's very efficient. We have a nice island here. We have a deck off the back right here that's all composite, so no maintenance. The cool thing about this neighborhood is all the exterior maintenance of this property, including lawn, trash, siding, roof. All that's included in your HOA. So it's kind of like a condo feel, but it is a townhome. Remember, it's 3 levels. It has a rear loading garage. So as you come up the stairs, we have 2 full baths up here. We have the laundry, which is again a luxury, especially in a smaller townhome, having the laundry on the 3rd floor. So we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths up here. So as you come down in the basement or the 1st level of this townhome, you'll have another living room. It does have a full window exit well, so it could probably be converted into a bedroom if you wanted to. And you have your half bath here. You'll see that we have a utility room to the right, another storage area, or again, maybe another bedroom. The house was built in 2018. It's pretty much new. They're still building in this neighborhood right now. You have a great chance of appreciation that you're gonna get as the new phases open up. Every time they're gonna be charging more and more for this. So anyway, guys, I hope this helps. As always, if you guys found anything valuable about this, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.